In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a WeTransfer file. If someone has sent you files through WeTransfer, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the transfer link, preview the files, and download them to your device without confusion. To get started, open the email or message that contains the WeTransfer download link. This link is usually included in the message the sender shared with you, and it will take you directly to the transfer page. For this example, I'm using email, but the same general process applies if the link was sent through another messaging platform. Once you find the link, click on it. A new web page will open in your browser, and this is where WeTransfer displays the shared files. When the page first loads, take a moment to look at the left panel. You should see a preview area showing the files that were included in the transfer. This helps you confirm that you're opening the correct transfer before downloading anything. If you see an option to open the preview, go ahead and click open. The page may take a few moments to fully load, especially if the files are large or if your internet connection is a bit slow. It's a good idea to wait until everything finishes loading so you can see the full view of the files clearly. Once the transfer is fully loaded, you'll be able to view the complete file list. At this point, you're ready to download. Look for the download button. In some cases, if there are multiple files included in the transfer, you may also see a download all option. Click download if you want the available file directly, or click download all if you want everything included in the transfer. After you click the download option, your browser will begin downloading the file or files to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go straight into your downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If you're downloading several large files, just give it a little time to finish completely before opening them. And that's it. That's how to download a WeTransfer file. As a quick tip, if the download doesn't start right away, make sure the page is fully loaded and check that your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.